Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can trade Bitcoin on Coinbase app. You can check up the link underneath if you want to sign up for the app and use the app. Essentially guys, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are moving much more, sometimes tens of percentages more than the stock market. So I want you to be very careful, very risky play over here guys. It is not like the stock market. So I want you to be very cautious. First thing you want to do when you actually create your account, you want to come over, and the Coinbase app doesn't work like the stock market app. Essentially, all the assets will be over here because the Coinbase only approves coins for trading that are approved from the general public. They don't allow coins that they don't prove the sufficient backing of the funds and seriousness. Okay, so all the coins will be here in front of you when you log in the app. I didn't add these coins over here. These coins just simply appear. So the Bitcoin will simply be on top of your list. If you scroll on the side, you will have the watch list, you will have the USDC. But let's click on the Bitcoin in our example. Like I mentioned, let's say you're interested of purchasing, buying or selling Bitcoin. The app is very easy. As you can see, there is no options like we went through the stock market. All we gotta do if you're interested is simply, after you analyze the chart, of course, click on the buy button if you're interested to buy. And over here with the recent updates of advanced trading, you will see that again we have buy limit, which is the limit price. For example, Bitcoin now is at 41,220. For example, you want to buy only at 41,000, right? So you're gonna set up your limit price. If you don't want to wait and if you want to buy right away, you're going to do the market price, which is the current price, which is moving, right? Which means that you don't know exactly on what price your order will be executed until you click buy, because the price is moving every single second. Then you have a stop limit, which essentially means that at this particular price that you set over here, you will be able to buy at these prices prior the price move forward. You place your bets, you put the amount. For example, want to buy one Bitcoin at the stop price of, let's say, 41,100. And when this price hit, okay, then you will be able to execute your order at these levels. Something like a limit order again. The other thing that you should consider is that trading crypto is always coming with a fee. So when you buy and sell, you're going to be charged a small fee based on the quantity of the trade and how often do you trade. This is something very important. In the Weibo example, we did not pay for the trade itself. There is no fees associated with the trading activity. But there are brokers out there who will charge you on the stock market as well. So be very mindful about this, guys. Be always very careful. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.